from parents to
From parents.
their offspring, hair
Yeah.
color.
Stop.
I
Stop at the word offspring. Mu'taz, the same question. What is inherited trait?
Yes, teacher.
Inherited trait, the yellow color.
Yes, okay.
What is
It's
inherited
like a
characteristic?
passed from parents to their offspring.
That's right.
Okay.
Thank you.
So,
Mr. Mahmoud,
Yeah.
you see the mother and its children,
Yeah.
they might not have the same fur color, but because the cats, when they're little, they start with a different color with their parents. Then when they grow up, they be like their parents.
When you talk about the cat itself has
Yeah.
two parents, like the mother and the father.
Yeah.
So
It
the
might get
color
from
of the
the
fur,
father.
yeah, maybe from the father or maybe from the mother. It depends.
But it's mostly from the mother. And if it's
Not
don't,
mostly, it's 50-50.
oh, it's half.
Yeah.
And when the children when they become small, they're not gonna have the same fur color because when they grow up, they're gonna have the same color.
Exactly.
It's like that.
Thank you, Ahmed. Muhammad Sultan, what is inherited trait again?
Trait
Yeah.
is a
Characteristic passed from
best from parents to other
to their offspring.
offspring.
Yes, thank you. Yes, Rosen?
Why is my color? My eye color is green, but my mom is brown and my dad is brown.
So, do you have your grandfather still alive?
What?
Your grandfather, is he still alive?
Yeah.
Maybe his two eyes with green colors. Maybe.
Okay.
Does he have like green colors or not?
Yeah, I have green color.
So you are like your grandfather?
Do you mean my grandfather have green color?
Yes.
I didn't see.
You didn't see. So you can ask your father about it.
Okay.
Or any, not only your grandfather, maybe the grandfather. Or even grandfather. So we can, it's inherited trait. Yusuf, what is inherited trait?
An inherited trait is a characteristic passed from parents to their offspring. Hair color.
No,
eye color.
just stop at the offspring. This is the definition of inherited trait. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The next page, 113. 113. Ahsan, did you notice?
I listen.
Read it first. Did you notice?
Did you notice that one of the
Raise up your voice. Are you still
Did you
speaking?
notice that one of the kittens on the left page has fur color different from the mothers? That's because parents' offsprings have genetic differences. You can observe similar things in human families, like the one on this page. Family members have genetic differences that cause different traits. Genetic differences are the result of meiosis. An organism receives only half its genes from each parent, so the organism is not identical to either parent.
Abdul Mohsin, you understand anything?
Yeah.
Can you explain what you understood?
There is differences, like it's like the cat, because like when I was born, or other people, like they don't have the same. They have some similarities in with their parents, some and some that are different.
Okay.
So that caused in the generation different traits.
All right. Go on. Okay. Ahmed Omar. Inherited traits include what?
Inherited traits include skin color, hair color, the shapes of facial features,
Facial
earlobe
features?
shape,
Yeah.
facial features, earlobe shape, and even your tone of voice.
Yeah. So when you grow up, your voice will be like your father, or even your grandfather, or your uncle. It depends on the genes. Okay. So it's inherited trait. You have the same hair color, you have the same skin color, also the shapes of the facial features, all of this from your parents. Okay, Ahmed? Okay, my inherited traits. After reading the text and looking at the pictures, list your traits below. This girl said, I have green eyes, blonde hair, touch earlobes, and candle my tongue. Okay, so can you describe yourself in this box? Can you describe yourself, my inherited traits? It depends. So everyone has his own traits. Each one from you has his own trait. So this answer is related to this girl. You can see this is her father, and this woman is her mother, and this is a girl. She said, my inherited traits, I have green eyes, blonde hair. You can see that she has blonde hair, attached earlobes, and can roll my tongue, like her mother or her father. It depends. Abdullah Mahfouz,
Yes.
what is your inherited traits? I have what is your eyes color?
Mine.
Mhm.
I don't know.
You don't know what is your eyes color?
No. I think brown.
You think brown. What is your hair color?
It's black.
Dark, yeah. What? How can you describe your ears?
Ears.
Mhm.
Big. I don't know.
Is it white, big? Yes, it depends.
Big.
Can you roll your tongue like this? Can you roll your tongue like this?
No.
Try to do, Faisal.
I can roll my tongue. Look.
It's like a snake man. Okay, so Faisal, what is your inherited traits? What are your inherited traits?
Like what?
Describe yourself. I have what? I have green eyes. I have brown eyes.
Okay, my eyes. My eyes, I don't know if it's black or brown. Maybe like both, because when I put light on it, I can see it brown. But without light, it looks black.
Okay, so how can you describe it under light, under the sunlight? It's brown?
Yes,
Okay, and what
the
is
light I see
your hair
brown.
color?
Black.
Very well. Can you write this in the box, please? Manef,
I wrote it.
describe your inherited traits.
My inherited trait.
Yes. Say I have what?
I have a honey eyes.
Honey?
Yeah.
You mean it's
The
light, it's like the light
Yeah.
brown, light brown?
Yes. It's
Okay.
like the light brown.
Okay. And what is your hair color?
My hair color is like
Is
brown.
it dark or blonde like this girl?
No, it doesn't belong.
So it's brown hair or black hair?
No, it's like such as a black hair.
Black
But
hair. Okay. Can you roll your tongue like this?
yeah,
Okay. Mu'taz, what is your inherited trait? Muhammad Sultan, what are your inherited traits?
Yes.
Your eyes color, your hair color, and anything.
My eyes, black and white.
Black. Don't say black and white. Only black. And your hair color.
Black.
Okay.
I
Mu'taz,
describe
the
myself.
same question.
by-
Yes. Describe yourself.
I describe myself by I have brown eyes, I have brown hair, and I can also roll my tongue, and I have some very good calves.
Okay. Okay, look at this page. In this page, we have dominant trait and recessive trait. You need to write the definitions in your science notebook. Now, please open Sum It Up. This is page 116. 116. Draw a line from each statement to the picture that matches it. The first one, many traits are passed from parents to offspring. These traits are inherited. Number one, you are going to match it with the dogs. You can see. Number two, mitosis is a process by which body cells make more cells. It allows an organism to grow. Number two, you can match it with this picture. All cells have a cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, and cytoplasm. Number three with this picture. Number four, the nucleus directs all the activities of the cell, including growth, producing energy, taking in materials, and getting rid of wastes. Number four, this is the nucleus. Number five, dominant traits appear if an organism has one factor for a trait. Two factors must be present for recessive traits to appear. Look at this girl. And number six, the last one, with the first picture. If you read this lesson carefully from the beginning, you can do the homework today. It's word play, the next picture. Many thanks, my dear little friends, and see you later in the math class. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
bye
Goodbye.
I didn't finish all the questions.